Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the crash evidence so you can act decisively. Export the Adobe crash report and copy the most recent log file. This reveals the failing module. Once done, record your OS, Premiere build number, GPU model, and driver version because those details point to compatibility issues. Make a temp backup of the current project and all linked media. You will need a clean test environment. Now restart Premiere after a fresh system reboot to begin targeted diagnostics. Next, isolate variables by disabling third-party plugins and starting Premiere in safe configuration. Corrupted plugins are a common crash cause. Reset preferences and delete media cache files to remove cache corruption. This forces Premiere to rebuild stable indexes. Then open a new blank project and import the same media to reproduce the crash. If it fails, you've isolated project or media issues. If it no longer crashes, re-enable plugins one at a time to find the offender and update or remove it. For final resolution, update or roll back your GPU driver to a driver Premiere supports and ensure Premiere matches Adobe's compatible builds. If GPU problems persist, switch renderer to Mercury Playback Engine software only to bypass hardware acceleration. That often prevents GPU-related crashes. Reinstall Premiere if corrupted files are suspected. If issues remain, gather logs, autosave files, and step-by-step repro instructions. Then submit them with the crash report to Adobe. A key tip: test on another machine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.